Now that we've seen how AI can revolutionize meal planning, let's take a step further into the future of grocery shopping. Imagine walking into a store where AI knows exactly what you need before you do. With AI-powered shopping assistants, your grocery list is automatically generated based on your meal plans and pantry inventory. These smart assistants can also suggest alternative ingredients based on what's in season or on sale, helping you save money and reduce food waste. Picture a seamless shopping experience where your items are picked, packed, and ready for pickup or delivery without you lifting a finger. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also personalize your shopping experience by learning your preferences and suggesting new products you might like. It's like having a personal shopper who knows you inside and out. And in this segment, let's delve into the world of AI-powered meal planning. Imagine using AI-driven platforms like Nourish that analyze your food preferences, dietary restrictions, and health goals to create customized meal plans just for you. These platforms offer a wide range of recipe options, catering to your taste buds while ensuring optimal nutritional value. AI isn't just static, it adapts your meal plans based on your progress, ensuring continuous optimization. For example, using ChatGPT, you can get personalized meal suggestions, grocery lists, and even cooking tips tailored to your needs. This makes meal planning not only more efficient but also more enjoyable. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the incredible ways technology is shaping our daily lives. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Up next, we dive into the world of virtual reality art galleries.